Depression is a complex mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While its exact cause is still not fully understood, scientific research has shown a strong connection between serotonin and depression. Serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a vital role in regulating mood, emotions, and a range of physiological functions in the human body. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Also, if you find this video informative or if you have any questions along the way, please leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up to show your support. Understanding serotonin, the neurotransmitter. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter, a chemical messenger that transmits signals in the brain. It is derived from an amino acid called tryptophan and is involved in a wide range of functions within the central nervous system. These functions include regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and social behavior. The role of serotonin in mood regulation. One of the key roles of serotonin is its influence on mood. In the brain, serotonin helps to maintain emotional balance. When serotonin levels are in a healthy range, individuals tend to experience stable and positive moods. However, when there's an imbalance in serotonin levels, it can contribute to mood disorders like depression. Low serotonin and depression. Research suggests that a significant factor in depression is low serotonin activity in certain areas of the brain. This can occur for several reasons. Reduced serotonin production. The brain relies on an adequate supply of tryptophan, obtained from the diet, to produce serotonin. A diet deficient in tryptophan or certain genetic factors can affect serotonin production. Serotonin reuptake. Serotonin reuptake is a process where serotonin is reabsorbed by nerve cells after being released. In some cases, this reuptake process can be overactive, leading to lower levels of available serotonin in the brain. Genetics and environment. Genetic factors can influence an individual's susceptibility to depression and their brain's response to serotonin. Additionally, environmental factors, such as chronic stress or trauma, can also contribute to changes in serotonin levels. SSRIs and treatment. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors are a class of medications commonly prescribed to treat depression. These medications work by blocking the reuptake of serotonin, allowing more serotonin to remain available in the brain. By increasing serotonin levels, SSRIs aim to improve mood and alleviate depressive symptoms. Seeking professional help. It's crucial to note that depression is a complex condition with various contributing factors, including biological, psychological, and environmental elements. While serotonin plays a significant role, it is not the sole determinant of depression. If you or someone you know is struggling with depression, it's essential to seek help from a healthcare professional. The connection between serotonin and depression is a crucial area of study in mental health research. Understanding how serotonin influences mood and how imbalances can contribute to depression is a step toward developing effective treatments. However, depression is a multifaceted condition, and its treatment often involves a combination of therapies, medications, and lifestyle changes tailored to the individual's needs. If you or someone you know is experiencing depression, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to explore the most appropriate treatment options. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey of discovery. If you found this video informative or have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on mental health, science, and well-being. Your support means the world to us.